Hello, and I hope you are doing well today. We did a model of the composite beam. Let me make it this and use this option. Here, the steel beam, the concrete, and then we consider the bolt reinforcement. See here, these are the stud, not bolts. These are shear stud as a connector between the steel and concrete part. And then if I click on this and animate in the static approach, we use a static approach, you can see the ACL criterion for the whole of the model. See, these are the elements that reach the yield stress. You can see here, and at the end we have something like this. Let me replace or remove this and also remove the reinforcement. See here, see the deformation of the shear starts here. See, you can see here the deformation here and here. These are the deformation. Also we can check the tactile damage for them. See here, tactile damage, the stress for the steel beam with shear start. Let me use feature edge to have a better view, and you can see that here we can consider stress, displacement, tactile damage which is happened for the starts at the load locations, and we can consider also ACL. See, if I click on animate, you can see the ACL begin at here at the load location of the shear start area, and then we have something like this. Okay, we can replace it. We can replace it by using this option, or replace all, then replace the concrete just. Here, this is the compressive damage. You can see the compression damage or compressive damage. You can see that. Then the tension damage here. Let me use again the exterior edge field. Then click on animate to check the stress. Before that, let me remove the steel beam. Then you can see these are the studs here. These are the studs here. See inside concrete, and then the here we have the tension damage. If you can see here the area that we have shear stud connector, the situation is better than the other area. See, as the damage, tension damage parameter. See here, you can see we have damage here, but here it is a little bit less than the other area. Compressive damage also, and then the stiffness degradation in the model. See here the stiffness degradation. Replace all. Then where we can check the plastic strain for the beam here. See, and also we can draw force displacement diagram or anything that we need. See here. Okay. If you need to model the shear stud connector of the composite beam, steel and concrete, you can use this tutorial as the static model under 4 points bending of the composite beam. Uh, you can provide it, and if you need it, come to our website here, abaqusfm.com at abaqusfm.com. Here, this is the tutorial. Click on this title or search it in the search section of the website. Then you will have this title here, the geometry here, the geometry's part, and then the assembly, then the definition of the model, the material model, step interaction, and at the end the result as figures you can see. The cost of the CAEINP English video file, Excel file for the material and reference paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email to tell you more about the tutorial information, anything that you need. Here we have also a full package containing more than 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulation and modeling in Abaqus. You can read here some of the main title and subtitles in this package, but it contains more than these titles here. For instance, explosion with all method, impact high and low velocity for all the materials, welding with all method, biomechanics for any. You can see here the tooth, mandible, implant, uh, uh, bone implant, I don't know, bone fracture, blood vessel, bone crack, bone drilling, skull, anything. Forming, all the process, forming process, crack, soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, masonry, discrete element, anything else. The cost for this full package is 230 euros. That is so suitable for students, really. And if you need to provide this full package, contact me to this email to tell you more information about the package, the content, and the payment method. Thank you for your attention.